Hey, welcome back. In previous video, we have seen optional class from Java 8. Now, we will come back to stream methods and we will see some terminal operations again. This time, we will see the min and max method. These are two simple methods from the streams and we will see both one by one. So the min method returns the minimum element of this stream according to the provided comparator. This is a terminal operation and you can see the method signature for min method. You can see it is accepting an parameter comparator. So it will accept an comparator object and it returns optional of the type T. Since we have covered the optional in previous video, you may be familiar with it. Otherwise, you can check the I button or link in the description. The next method is max method, and as per the name suggests, the max method returns the maximum element of this string according to the provided comparator. This is also a terminal operation and you can see the method signature for max below. It returns optional of type T and as similar to the min, it will also accept a parameter comparator which is a comparator object. So this is the min method and max method. Let's see a simple example for min method and max method and we will understand it better. So let's move to the Eclipse. So here I will create one class and let's give it a name test, add the main method. Okay, so here we will be creating one list of integers and we will be finding the min and max from it. So let me create one list of integers. Let's say list and here arrays as list. Now here I will add few integers. Okay, let's import the list. Okay, now we have a list of integers. These integers are not sorted. That means they are in a random order and we need to find the minimum element using string min method. So first we will get a string of the list. And how can we get string from the list? List dot string. Now we will apply the min method and we know that min will accept a comparator object. Now here we will be using comparator dot natural order method. So natural order. This natural order method will return a comparator which will compare all these elements in natural order. And we know that min will return an optional. So we need to create an optional here. Optional of integer. Let's say min and okay. So we know that optional has a get method which will get the value from optional and we will add a sysout here and min dot get. Okay, save the program and run it. Run as a Java application. And that's it. You can see 1 is printed on the console, which is the minimum value from all the elements present there. Now this is how the min works. Now we will see max. So how can we max? It is very much similar to the min, just instead of min we will be applying to the max. So we know that max also returns an optional, so we will create an optional first. Optional of integer and let's say max, and we will get a string from the list dot string and max. Max also accept comparator and we will use the same natural order method here too. Comparator. Okay, and natural order. That's it. Okay, so we will add a sysout statement here to max dot get. Okay, run it and we will run as a Java application. You can see the max value is 10, the min value is 1. Okay, and this is how the min and max works. So this is it for the min and max method, and we will see the next concept in upcoming video. Thank you.